Between 1:50 and 2:22 p.m. of Friday, April 26th, 2024, I sat rather still in the fifth row of the Jami Mosque on the left side behind a beam. When it was time to pray, I moved forward along that line into the fourth row. In the 7th hour of the day of the 17th day of the 10th month of 1445, a presence built up above us to about 3 feet off the ground. Was a presence like a couple thousand people, and a light, non-physical mist, then snow and rain of blood. And towards the end of the sermon was like a sand that smelt of something between resin and flower oil. The blood didn't touch the people. During the course of the vision was a combination of a sense of being pressed in from every direction. You know, that dark matter feeling, like a breeze going through me, and euphoric waves down me, which built up towards the end. The presence was a light being who took a sharp, downward pointing tetrahedron as its general shape, though that was smooth and soft in its specific details. This being of a teal of its realm was like folds of sheets of fabric together. All of this left the room dark by comparison, and they keep things brighter than I would choose to keep them in there. None of this interfered with the movement or perception on a physical level.